This is a sponsored product I got from AIPER. This is really cool surface cleaner. As you guys can see, the pool surface is very clean, and I just opened the pool. As you can see, this is the beginning of the season and all the stuff coming off from the trees. It's just raining inside. As you can see, we have this backyard. Actually, those pile right there, I just emptied this 2 minutes ago, and this is doing really good job cleaning everything. As you can see, the front has really nice large opening. It collects everything, and these sides just allow it to capture everything, and it just sucks in. So that works really well. And over here you can see really nice large area for uh, the solar panel. As you can see, we had very uh, cloudy day today, and it's still running. So let's say you don't have enough sunshine, you see this thing here. It comes with a power adapter. You can just use it and charge it. That is really nice. And you can see it has nice large propels. It allows the unit to go very easily and smoothly. And you have an application. Once you download the application to your phone, you can connect with the Bluetooth and the wireless, and this will be like you can use the application to like use it as a remote control. You can tell it to go straight, right, left, or go backward. Works really cool, and I really like it. As you can see, the surface is really clean. Let me just show you guys how you take out the thing. And the basket has really cool features. So you press and hold this here about 3 seconds to turn this off, and once you do that, you will just pull out this. You can see it is closed, so it is really nice feature. Whatever it collects, it's not gonna come from the back or side. That looks really nice. And over here you have this thing, and right here you will be able to just press this open, and you can see it is really large. And this just came out from this I just mentioned. I emptied this before I took the video. Maybe I shouldn't do that and show you guys, but so that's what it is. So over here you can see this just helps the things go inside, and it has a flip. It just let's say if it's completely full, it will just block anything coming out from the front. That is really nice as well. So once you are done, you empty, you just push it back. That's how easy it is. And then you will just pull this and put inside the pool, press the button, hold 3 seconds, and it will turn. As you can see, it's ready for action, and it's just going. So I really like it. I hope you guys will enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching.